Elon Musk has expressed his desire to colonize Mars for years, and his company SpaceX has made significant strides in developing the technology to make it happen. However, 4 experts told Business Insider that Musk's plan is romantically unrealistic and cosmic vandalism, so let's talk about it today in this video. Experts have cited several technological, scientific, and ethical challenges with Musk's plan. One challenge is that we don't have the technology or resources to make terraforming a reality on Mars in the near future. Terraforming is the process of making a planet habitable for humans, and it requires us to thicken Mars' atmosphere, warm its climate, and introduce liquid water. Even if we had the technology to terraform Mars, it would be a very slow and expensive process. And even if we succeed, Mars will still be a very dangerous place to live. The atmosphere would be thin and toxic, the climate would be extreme, and there would be no natural food or water sources. Experts also raised ethical concerns about Musk's plan, arguing that colonizing Mars would be a waste of resources and attention that could be better spent solving problems on Earth. They have expressed concern about the potential impact of colonization on the Martian environment. One of the experts, Australian National University climate change expert Casey Hammer, called Musk's plan cosmic vandalism. He argued that colonizing Mars would be a crime against the universe because it would involve destroying a primitive planet. Despite challenges and concerns raised by experts, Musk remains committed to plans to colonize Mars. He says he believes it is necessary to ensure the long-term survival of the human species. But other experts say the technological and scientific challenges are that we don't have the technology or resources to make Mars a reality in the near future. Even if we did, Mars would still be a very dangerous place to live. Ethical concerns: colonizing Mars would be a waste of resources and attention that could be better spent solving problems on Earth, but there are also potential impacts of colonizing the Martian environment. There are many other experts who believe that Musk's plan is feasible, and only time will tell if Musk will be able to achieve the desired goal of colonizing Mars. However, there are some important questions or points that experts have to really think about when it comes to living on Mars. Point number 1: colonizing Mars would be an incredibly expensive undertaking, with Musk estimating that it would cost around $10 billion to develop the necessary technology, and then trillions of dollars to send people to Mars and build a sustainable colony. Point number 2: colonizing Mars will be very dangerous. Astronauts will be exposed to high levels of radiation and have to deal with a harsh and unforgiving environment. There is also the risk of technical errors, which could be catastrophic. Point number 3: it is unclear what the benefits of colonizing Mars would be. Musk has argued that it is necessary to ensure the long-term survival of the human species, but others have argued that there are better ways to achieve this goal. Point number 4: ultimately, the decision to colonize Mars is a complex one that must take into account all the factors involved. There are both risks and potential benefits, and it is important to weigh them carefully before making a decision. Point number 5: how much will it cost to colonize Mars? What are the risks of astronauts and colonization? What are the potential benefits of colonizing Mars? How do the risks and benefits compare to other options to ensure the long-term survival of the human species? Experts also consider the moral implications of colonizing Mars. For example, is it right to spend so much money and resources on colonizing Mars when so many people on Earth are struggling? What impact will colonizing Mars have on the Martian environment? Do we have a moral responsibility to protect Mars from human interference? Experts urge more awareness of Elon Musk's plans to colonize Mars.